Duol mar gavanas othir kod chenro mar mbui ma migawo mar omenda koro dwani tigo e ng'iewo mwandu. Riwruog gavanas okalo kuom jakom margi mabende gavana ma Wajir Ahmed Abdullahi okoni counties ok bi tiyo kod laino nyaka ging'e kore gi atache. Gikoni piny owacho mamalo dhi ataro mar katiba kendo gidonjore kod counties kokalo e temo chunogi mondo giti kod lai mar nyiepo ka gikia kore.
Clause 6(2) of our constitution is not inferior to circulars issued by the National Treasury Minister. So he can't threaten us. If he's above the law, we'll know. He cannot threaten us that he's going to withhold money because you've told him the system that he has procured. I don't know where from, and how much, and whether it was still procured through process, is not working. If it's not working, it's not working. And no one can shove it down our throats. You must address the issues we're raising. And you must respect that we're two levels of government. And we're both a creation of the Constitution of Kenya.